In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very powerful quote from the book If You Are Not First, You Are Last by Grant Cardone. But before I share the quote with you, I would like to ask you one question. Do you know why most of us, including me, are not able to come first in life? We are not able to reach to the height where we dream of going. We are never able to achieve the success that we desire. I think the quote from the book has the answer. So let us look at the quote. A surefire way to make sure you never get to the first place is to compare yourself with others who have no intention of even being first. Come on, this is really very powerful and interesting quote. Let me read it once again. A surefire way to make sure you never get to the first place is to compare yourself with others who have no intention of ever being first. Did you pick up the message? Why we fail? See, when we join college or when we start our own business or when we start our first job, we always dream of achieving big. We want to have lots of success, lots of money, lots of facilities that money can buy, position and respect and everything. But then, as we start working, we somewhere on the way we give up or we become comfortable with whatever we have and then we forget our dream. Why does this happen? As Grant Cardone tells in this book through this particular sentence, it's a sure short way where we don't become first. 100% sure. And what is the way he is telling? We compare ourselves with someone who never has the desire to come first. Let's take example that you are working in an organization and you want to achieve big. But when you start comparing to someone who is in front of you, near you, he can be your colleague, he can be your near boss. And what you find is that this particular person, he doesn't have the desire to become first, to come first in life. He doesn't has the desire to rise to the top, to achieve the pinnacle of his success. He is happy where he is. He is satisfied with the salary. He is satisfied with his family. He is satisfied with whatever he has. No desire. Okay, why to work hard? Why to do this kind of struggle and all? Okay, salary is coming. I'm living. I'm enjoying. That's it. So this particular guy, he doesn't want to come first, and we compare ourselves to him. I'm better than him. I'm successful than him. No, you're still at the lower level. So if we want to reverse this, if we want to reach to the pinnacle of your success where you can be, then you need to compare yourself with someone who is on top. You may not know that person personally. You may have heard about him or her, you might have read about him or her. There is no chance right now that you can reach that person, but then you need to compare yourself to that person. That person becomes your role model. You want to reach that pinnacle or at least try reaching there so that you can at least scale a maximum height that you can. So that is what we need to do. Don't compare yourself with mediocre people. If you are in college, the first day you enter college, you decide that, yeah, I want to score so much percentage in my college life. I want to be the topper in class. I want to pass out with flying colors and I want to get my dream job. But then when you enter the college, sit in the class, you start comparing yourself with mediocre students. he is just passing on the boundary. I'm at least doing better than him. And then you think that you're doing something great and you're becoming better. You are downgrading yourself. You are not maximizing the potential that you have, that you can achieve the ultimate success for which you had come to college. So never do that. Never compare yourself with people around you who never want to be successful in life, who have given up on their dreams, who are not bothered about achieving targets or setting goals or self development or becoming a better person in the marketplace, adding value to the market, creating something that will leave a legacy behind. No, I want salary every month. That's it. I don't care. Don't get into in company of these people. Seek out new company. If you can't, if you don't have that company, at least don't go there. If you really want to become successful. If you are not interested, if you care more about being with them because they make you feel comfortable, then the choice is yours. But then you should not complain about it then. Or else seek out people who are ambitious, with whom you can compete. And you have this fear that you may lose to them. That is good. At least you will try hard to be closer to them. Accept the challenge. That is what life is. It's one hell of an adventure. That is fun. Working hard, working tough, being tough on yourself is fun. This way, you are living a life of excitement, a competition with that particular person who is on the top, competition with yourself to become better at things what you are doing and reaching your pinnacle. So, if you want to achieve your pinnacle, never compare yourself with people who never want to reach the top. Always think about people, always look up to people, always find out more about people who are already at the top where you have the desire to reach.